Alright, this video we're going to cover how to disconnect the trigger assembly of the air tube. Alright, it's one flathead screw here, and you flip it over. You gotta remove this one and this two. When you're on your last nut, you could feel the spring tension. And trigger assembly want to go aft a little bit. There it is. Alright, let me show you real quick while I have it out. It's how it cocks. Get some grease. I don't want to hurt myself here. When you cock it, you see this latch here? Not notches. We'll engage with this when you cock it. I'll do it with my finger. Let me show you. See it? Let me get close up here. Alright, when you I set this trigger to be one stage because there's no second stage on this. Alright. See, it releases. It's not gravity affected like the R3s. See it? I don't even see it, but let me do it again. Maybe this way. Get some white background. Patches. And you pull the trigger, it goes. Alright, this trigger I set it at 6 ounces and it's pretty nice. Alright, and that's it. And we'll continue on next video to assemble the breech end. Alright, next video.